Today, we're drawing Peppa Pig dressed as a caring nurse, ready to help anyone in need with her big smile and friendly attitude. Grab your drawing tools, and let's start this fun and creative journey together. What do you think Peppa's nurse hat will look like? Let's add a little cross together. Can you see it now? Good job! Peppa Pig always loves playing dress-up, and today, she's ready to save the day as a nurse. Do you think Peppa would carry a stethoscope or a first aid kit? Let's imagine it together. Look, the eyes of Peppa Pig are now wide open. Nurses work hard to help people feel better. They're superheroes in real life. What would Peppa say to her patients? Maybe, "It's okay, I'm here to help." What do you think she'd say? What's something kind a nurse might do for us? Can you share an idea? That's so thoughtful. Peppa Pig is having fun investigating her surroundings. Who's excited to color Peppa as a nurse? Me too! I can't wait to see your colorful drawings. Nurses use stethoscopes to listen to heartbeats. Do you know what a heartbeat sounds like? Lube-dub! Lube-dub! What color should Peppa's nurse outfit be? White? Blue? I can't wait to see what you choose. Wow! Peppa Pig is looking so kind and helpful in her nurse costume. Now, it's time to add some beautiful colors. Grab your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. What colors will you use? Does Peppa's smile make her look like the happiest nurse ever? I think so too. Peppa might carry a first aid kit filled with bandages and ointments. Just in case. Nurses sometimes work in hospitals, schools, or even out in the community to help people. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Peppa's pink cheeks will look extra cute with her nurse costume, don't you think? Nurses are amazing at giving comforting hugs. Peppa would be great at that, wouldn't she? Did you know Peppa might use her nurse outfit to host a Helping Hands Day at her playgroup? Nurses love teaching us to wash our hands properly, just like Peppa loves teaching George. Does Peppa look like she's ready to help all her friends? Yes. You're amazing for noticing that. What other dress-up costumes do you think Peppa might wear? Good idea! I love that one! And we're done with Peppa as a nurse. Doesn't she look ready to make her patients smile? We've done an amazing job today. Thank you for joining me, Pinky Artists. See you next time for another fun drawing adventure.